Case which was won in 2004. Okay, there are men of 2004, 2003, 2005. All those years, you said these are small ones, we pay 200 billion and the rest below, but these ones of many years have never been advertised and you have never put them in the papers. And finally, Mr. Chairman, there was a decision which was passed that anybody who commits a crime of human rights, this should be individuals who committed them who should pay. How far have they gone to implement it?
What informs his planning and the budget that he gets for this compensation of these people if he does not have the figures and the details about these people? How does he generate the budget and the amount that is given to the ministry?
Being moved for a period of time, somebody wins the case, they need to be compensated, and we take 2 to 10 years without paying them, claiming that we don't have their details. You don't have a phone contact. You don't have a phone contact, and you want to. You've told us it is small money, but we are looking at 40 million here, 34 million to a common person. That is a lot of money. 9 million, 11 million. That is a lot of money that you did not need. Why did you budget for it? I asked if it was released, what would you have done? You said you would take it back. So you planned for money to be taken back? So that...
Was this money released?
Chair, the question is, it is on page 2.112. The activities where no funds were released. It is okay funds were not released. But our challenge was, when you get to his response, for example, under 4, payment of utilities, 119 million was not released. And you know the response that he gave? The ministry settled the bills for utilities and no areas were accumulated. Therefore, the under-release had no direct impact, meaning that he overplans. And this applies to close to 4 activities. Electricity, that is utilities and electricity, information.
There, the proceedings are facilitated by the commission itself. The commission is the one that gives them transport, gives them everything that they want for them to pursue their cases. So they serve the complaint on us. When they serve the complaint on us, that's when we carry on some investigation. We write to our clients, mainly the police and defense, to give us the facts of what happened. Then the trial commences. So when an award is given to the complainant, Human Rights Commission writes to us and says, this is the award, go ahead and do what? And satisfy the award. But the information, the details of the complainant, we do not have it. Unlike the other cases, the ordinary civil suits where the person is represented by a lawyer, these ones are self-represented. When the person is represented by the lawyer, you write to the lawyer.
100 billion was the recognition from the actual liabilities because those cases came under, they were under appeal. So we removed them from the current actual liabilities.
And you want to tell me this 800 billion, had somebody who got an award of 800 million since 2018. 20 what?
2018.
You said 20 what?
18.
800 million. 2018 and man is there. He has never bothered to pick it.
And the chair, you should note that it
and another one has got an award of 535 million.
Chair, you should also
and that money is lying out there, ready for payment. Somebody is not proactive. What's wrong with putting it there? Because when you put it under the operating expenses, it is easier for you to use this money for compensation to pay for other things. Because it's on a general line of other operating what? Expenses. The money is on a general line, so you can use it for any other operating expense. That's why it's so important that money is where it should be. So that whoever wants to implement, I'm not an accountant, but for as long as now I've been here, books of accountant is easy to look at.